Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to type in square meters, that's M with that little elevated 2 or M2 in Google Sheets and just couldn't figure it out, this is the video for you. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add the correct square meter symbol right inside your spreadsheet, making your data both clear and professionally formatted. Let's get straight to it. Imagine you're putting together a list of room sizes, maybe for a renovation, rental, or just getting organized. Having M2 instead of just M2 makes your sheet look tidy and easy to read. It's a small detail, but it does make a big difference. So the first thing you want to do is go into your Google Sheet and simply select the cell where you want to add M2. This could be at the top as a header, or right next to your numbers so people can easily tell you're talking about square meters. Click on the cell with your mouse or use the arrow keys to get there. Take a moment to pick the right spot so your spreadsheet stays organized. Next, it's time to actually type out the M2. Start by just typing a regular M as in the letter for meters. Now here comes the tricky part that trips a lot of people up, getting that little raised 2 known as the superscript 2. It doesn't appear on your keyboard, and typing 2 after the M isn't quite the same. It's like the difference between 10 and 102, the look and meaning both change. To insert the real superscript 2, you'll need a keyboard combination. On Windows, hold down the Alt key, then using the numeric keypad, that's the number pad over on the right side of most desktops, not the row of numbers at the top, type 178. So press and hold Alt, then 178. As soon as you release Alt, you should see a neat little 2 appear right after the M. So now your cell reads M2. On laptops that don't have a dedicated number pad, you might have to turn on numlock or use the function key to get those number keys to work. Don't worry if it doesn't show up right away, sometimes it takes a couple of tries, especially if you're on a different keyboard layout. If you're on a Mac, the quickest method is a little different. You can simply press Option plus Shift plus 2 to get the 2. Or if that doesn't work, you can always copy and paste 2 from this video description or from another document into Google Sheets. It's a simple workaround if your keyboard shortcuts are being stubborn. And that's honestly all there is to it. Once you've got that M2 in your cell, you can copy and paste it wherever you need, just like any other value. Use it in column titles after numbers or wherever you want to make your measurements super clear. Trust me, taking that extra second to format things the right way makes your spreadsheet so much more readable and professional. Don't worry if you didn't get it on your first try, keyboard shortcuts sometimes take a little practice. If you have any trouble or questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Google Sheets tips just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.